Real maturity daw po ay binabalanse ang truth and love, ang katotohanan at ang pag-ibig. So, hindi po mahirap maghanap ng example niyan. Kasi mismo po si Jesucristo, ang ating pong Panginoong Jesus, minodel niya yan perfectly. Kasi, ano pong nakita natin sa buhay ni Kristo, doon sa ministry niya, He corrected with grace, and He loved even those who rejected Him. Di ba? Nakita po natin yan. So, yun yung model po natin dito po sa mga binanggit natin. So, again, maturity is becoming more like Christ. Maturity means standing firm in the truth, and maturity is living in love. So, to be mature in Christ, so paging mature daw sa Panginoong Jesucristo is to reflect His character, stand firm in His truth, and walk daily in His love. Kasi sabi nga po nung nabasa ko, spiritual maturity doesn't happen overnight. It's a lifelong journey of growing closer to Jesus day by day.